The second submodule under B2B is agent. As we already discussed, in I2 system, the tour operator can create multiple agents and they will provide the agent code and login credentials using the system. So here, the two different ways to add the agent into the system. First, we will send a registration form to the agent. Agent will on their email ID. Agent will fill all the details and it will reflect into the sections. So the tour operator or the DMC companies, they will click on view section and update the status whether this B2B agent are valid or not. So there are two options, either approved or the rejected. If the agent is approved, the tour operators can upload the agreement. They can disable the agent anytime. If they receive any deposit from the agent, the deposit entry they can do into the sections and it will reflect to your accounts. If you click on reject, the email will send to the travel agent. Second registration option is the tour operators or the DMC company directly add the agent into these sections if you know the details about him. Let's see here. He will add the company name, account name, ITA status, nature of business, preferred currency, telephone details, Skype details, website details. You can upload the company logo. So whenever the travel agent will generate the quotation for the customer, his logo will be reflect on a particular document. City, address details, pin code, country, address proof. Next, here we can define the concerned person details. And their individual username and password. On the save, the detail will send to the travel agent with agent code and login details. So he will just click on their login link and use the system. Here are the options like view the details, agent details, update the status, edit the informations, or delete the travel agent. The tour operator can export all this information into the Excel file. Next tab is for credit management. So most of the tour operators or the DMC companies provide some credit to every travel agent, like 5 days credit, 7 days credit, and with some amounts. So here we can provide the credit limits. We'll select the travel agent. We'll select the entry date today, approve status, credit amount, payment date, let's say for within 5 working days, and description. Save. Once you click on save, the travel agent, means the Lark Holidays, will receive the notification on their email ID whether the credit limit is accepted. So the travel agent can make the booking without cash or bank payments. He will work as a credit limit, but within 5 working days he need to release the amount as per the agreement. So this is all about the agent creation process.